Hello guys, I want to take a minute today to introduce the Phoenix LD02 and why I think it's one of the best true EDC, everyday carry light. Okay, we have on the table here some of the more popular EDC. This is the SE600W 2, and it's supposedly one of the smallest 18650 light. 18650 is a very energy dense battery, so a great option. However, in my opinion, it's still kind of large for jean pockets. Okay, it's great for jacket pockets, but fairly tight for jean pocket. One size battery down would be the LD02vn here. This light right here, it has the 18350, so a relatively high energy dense for the size. But as you can see, it's basically an 18650 size light. It's kind of stubby. Okay. Pretty good. Perfect for a jacket pocket for sure. For a tight jeans pocket, maybe. Cargo pants, yeah, but tight jeans, I still don't think that is all that comfortable. One size down is one of my most popular EDC ever. Okay, this is the D25C, and this light can be had with driver VN2. I've made a video just on this light before. It's a great EDC. I carry it everywhere. Yes, it's still quite a bit uncomfortable in jean pockets. Okay, you still notice it. Okay, it's not like you're just gonna forget about it. It's very small. Performance is amazing. Still not ideal for pocket carry, as is still. I can still feel it, especially me being a smaller Asian guy size. I'm 5'5", 130 pounds, so I wear pretty relatively tight jeans. So yeah, still uncomfortable. Now we have a new player on the market. This one is the LD02vn. Okay, let me put all these away. This is the LD02vn. Okay, and AAA size. Look how small it is. I carried for the last couple of days, and I honestly think that it's a true everyday carry. You can actually put in your pocket and forget that you even have it. And when you need it, it put out an absurd amount of lumen for the size. And if you're gonna say this is impractical with IMR 10440 and it's so small, putting out so much lumen, that's not true. This version right here have driver VN2. If you don't order driver VN2, you have a single mode max brightness. Yeah, that could be a little impractical if you need to run max for a long time. But if you have driver VN2, like this version here, look at all the modes you have down here. You have 20 different groups of modes, okay? And for number 13, for 13 here, for example, you have different level, starting with max brightness 70% and then 50% brightness all the way down to just 1%. Okay, and M stands for no memory, so the light always starts on high. Good tactical setup, I suppose. That always starts on high. Okay, and look, number 9 here is a very popular EDC mode. No memory. Has low, medium, high, always starts on low, always starts on the 1%, and you're not going to blind anybody in the middle of the night, knowing the light always starts on the first mode. So you have plenty of modes here to play with in such a small, tiny light, right? So practicality is great, and look at how small it is. You can carry it everywhere, really. Okay, let's see if we can program it to one of these modes just to show you guys how driver VN2 works in this light. Okay, it has a reverse clicky, so full click to turn on and half press to change modes. Let's see what it's on right now. Low. Okay, so it's probably on number 9 right now. Low, medium, high, and if you have the light off, it should always start on low, and it does. Okay, so right now it's on number 9. Low, medium, high, no memory, always starts on low. A great EDC group right here. For the heck of it, let's just see if we can adjust this light to mode 18. No memory, always starts on low. 1, 5, 30, 70, 100 strobe, and then a 1 hertz low blink, which is good for roadside signal. Okay, yeah, that's a good group. mode 18. Alright, so in order to adjust this light, you have to fast click the switch 8 times. And very fast click 8 times. It's going to be very hard for me to do this on the camera with one hand holding the phone. And then after you fast click 8 times, the light will go into a slow blink indicating that you're in programming mode, and then you would have to click the switch 18 times for mode number 18. So you'd be locked into mode 18. Okay, let's see how that works. 8 times fast click on, and then half press 8 times. Oh, that's not gonna work. Start over. See, now you're in programming mode 18 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I think I didn't fully press on one of them. Let's try that again. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oops. It's hard to do this on camera. Let's give it a shot again. All right. Okay, programming mode 18 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There you go. I think we hit it. All right, we should have 1, 5, 30, 70, 100. So that's 5 constant brightness, strobe, and then a slow blink. Let's try see if that's true. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, strobe, and then a slow blink. Oh, look at that cool slow blink. Very good for roadside signal. If your car is broken down or for whatever remote. Yeah, that's the best case scenario I could think of. If your car broke down and you can have it right outside the window, signaling so that another car won't rear end you. That's something that's a use I think it would work great for. And if you turn off the light, it should turn back on to the lowest mode, and it does. Okay, let's try see if the node memory works. Let's set it on some middle level. Okay, now it's on one of the middle level modes. Turn the light off. If I turn it back on, it should be on the lowest mode. There it is. See? Great. And this light being aluminum, heat sink better than its stainless steel competitors. For example, like the LD02vn SSVN, its brother, the keychain brother, similar optics, and aluminum should heat sink better. Okay. Talk optics. So let's talk about optics for a minute. This optics right here is made for XPG2, so it works great. Gives a good hot spot with good flood also. If you want more lumen, you would probably more floody lumen. You would probably go for one of the XPL variations, either dome or D-dome. You would have more flood. All right, let's try this out in a darker space so we can see how it performs. Again, just check out the size. And it's not even that big with a clicky, so great size. Okay, all right, let's check it out in the dark. Low, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that should be the brightness, the brightest modes. Okay. And yeah, I think that is incredibly bright. And look at how nice the beam is. Look at how nice that beam is. Well, yeah, you can't really see it on the screen because it's all washed out, but it's a very nice round hot spot. Okay. And look how the first low mode is. Very low, okay? Not going to blind anybody enough to navigate and have excellent runtime, okay? I'm going to try something new today and see if this worked good in an attic crawl space, okay? This is the attic of my home. Let's see how this works. Low, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. See, so if you're in an attic working, construction or whatever, look at how much lumen it puts out for something this small. It could be a great backup light also if you don't need a lot of runtime on maximum. Strobe, and then that slow blink. Two, 3, 4, 5. See, and that's a good way down, and you can still see everything. Very, very bright. Okay, so let's have a last look at the light. I know this is a very long video, but obviously you can see how much I like this light and how much I think it's a must-have, being that it's a small EDC that does it all, and it has a clicky with a very complex driver that does everything you want. Very easy access versus how small it is, with an incredible optics that gives out a great beam, and aluminum heat sinks very well. So what's not to like, right? All right, that'll be all. Sorry for the very, very long review.